Hi, I'm Jason Daley Kennedy. Nowadays, there's a lot of good talk in our world about wellness. There's a lot of noise too. My goal is to take the topics of wellness, meditation, mindfulness, and self-care and make them more attainable and even palatable for you.
Say to yourself, self, can I control this situation right now? Will I be an asshole if I take any action right now?
My perspective has been that we need to take better care of ourselves in order to take better care of each other. And that's more clear now than ever.
Have you had experiences where you instilled in your patients, let's start practicing mindfulness?
Partner sees that you're taking the time to self-soothe.
I've been practicing and working to demystify the concepts of meditation and mindfulness for over a decade through private and corporate clients, through facilitating conversations and workshops, creating meaningful content around the subjects, and by my one-on-one coaching practice.
This is Meditation for Assholes. Thank you guys all for coming tonight.
But I don't like to think of myself as the expert in anything. As a matter of fact, I don't like the term expert. What I do think is that you'll find me a source of approachable inspiration.
I'm an asshole. Some of you guys know what that means.
Angry, selfish, shameful, hurting, overindulgent, less than, and ego.
What do I mean by approachable inspiration? Well, it's everything from conversations to positively shape or hack your life to adventures in everything from parenting.
We were talking to a 1 and 2 year old, you're kind of like, I can't believe I said
to meditation.
I'm here at Varanasi, which is the holy oldest city in the world, oldest continuous city in the world.
Even cooking.
By the way, avocado cutters,
This thing is kind of awesome.
And because it's scientifically proven that we can get relief from the good we see and put into our world, I'll share good news and interesting ways you can touch the world around you even when you can't really touch it.
It's art.
It's art, yeah.
I mean, you don't paint with black and white every time.
just about music for kids. It's about music is an opportunity for them to really expand their horizon. A year and a half, gang violence has decreased by 30% because you're in the community.
Would you say to somebody who's too afraid of getting involved?
I would say write a check.
Cool, because we need money.
There's a lot of serious things going on in our world. But that doesn't mean the topics that I talk about have to be boring, complicated, or worse, preachy.
Beauty of balls is that you don't have to measure anything.
Whoa, I don't know what that means, but it sounds super sexual. Ho ho, holy shit, kid, shut up. Guided audio meditation is for all of the parents of all of the sometimes a-hole kids in all of the world.
More than anything, I want to share my passion with you to help you and your loved ones work through the fear, calm down.
It's acceptance. How do we get into acceptance? Well, you just say, I need to accept the situation at hand.
And maybe even have a few laughs together as we navigate this crazy new normal and beyond.